Yo, hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you the Python script to run the Apple A12+++ and higher into DFU mode. I'm sorry if I cannot run Apple A12++ because I don't have any toolkit to buy, and I don't have any money because my parents take my 1000. So here's the dfu.py, or there you go. And here it is. So it uploads the quantum second core loader into RAM. And this, it's only if you use the analyze options. And when you run the Python dfu.py analyze, or maybe there's a line before analyze, it only analyze the elf, but it doesn't run the elf into dfu.py. So ignore the analyze arch parse, so you can use Python dfu.py and it runs in DFU mode. Thank you.